If you are a mobile gamer, you know how ping, lag or regional restriction can ruin your gameplay. Today I'm testing NordVPN with my mobile phone and showing you how actually it performs in PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. So let's see if it's really worth it for gaming. Hello my friends and welcome back. In the first chapter I will cover how to use NordVPN and what are the best features and the best settings for NordVPN, and then in the second and third chapter we will cover, test and review NordVPN on PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty gaming. So first of all, let me open up the NordVPN on my device, as you can see here. Now open up your NordVPN and now we are on the dashboard, guys. When you click on secure my connection, it will automatically connect you to the best server which has the fastest speed and low ping. So it is the actually application choice. Now for the gamer, the best option is go to downside, scroll down, and on browse countries here try to find your closest server, closest country and closest server which will give you the lowest pings and fastest response time. So here you have an option to connect automatically or choose the servers by yourself and closest servers. Here you have an option, as you can see, on the country. You can select the country or cities which is close to your cities or countries. Now here we have a dedicated IP. If you want to consistent IP address whenever you log into the game, or especially for the gamers who need a stable connection, or for streamers who need a stable connection or fixed IP address, this is the best option for you. And let me click here and give you more details. As you can see, avoid website blacklist, forget annoying robot check, and access systems that need a fixed IP address like CCTV, which is a great option. Guys, if you get premium account, you don't have this option, you must pay more and try to check it out, this option, and active this option for yourself if you need. It's a great option for streamers and especially for ranked player who need a stable connection. Now on the specialty servers, we have 4 options. I will tell you one by one. Double VPN, which will give you more security and it will route your VPN traffic 2 times. For example, if you are located in the London, it will connect you to another country, for example, or another city, for example, to Paris, and after that from the Paris it will connect you to another servers which is, for example, is located in the Tokyo. So it's for more security. Another option is Obfuscated Servers. This is a so important options, guys, and useful for advanced user. It will actually, guys, hide your VPN traffic completely, which helps you to bypass restrictions or firewall that blocks VPNs. For the gamer, it's a perfect if you want to access to region locked version of, for example, PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. So it's so important, and let me tell you more details. It has a limited number of servers, but it's so useful. For example, the country who have very heavy censorship and filter internet and blocks your VPN and blocks another protocol on your VPN, this will help you to connect to in another cities or another locations and another servers which are located in another country, and give you freedom and more access to the free internet, which is so good. The next option is Onion over VPN, that gives you more private options. It will, I think it will give a help from the Tor, which is so important and famous. And another option is P2P, which gives you option to share your file, and LAN setups like torrent and something like this. On the next, my friends, we have threat protection features. Actually guys, this blocks malicious sites, trackers and ads while you play or browse, which is so important. You can even make it run all of the time, not just when VPN is on, which keep your device secure and safe from the phishing and malware. And it has my friends, as you can see, it has a great options that is used for adult site blocking, which is a good option for the parents who want to control their kids, which is so important these days. For example, when you turn on this option, your kids can't watch porn on the internet, and the website doesn't appear for your kids, which is so important for their futures. So we have another option, which is dark web monitor, which give you more details about your data which is leaks in the dark web. For example, if you register with your main email address to another game like Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile, and when your email address or password of your game, I mean your login account, is leaked on the internet, it will appear here and give you some options to prevent to leaks your data and manage your data, which is so important. Now on the settings tab, guys, we have a great option which is called Meshnet. This is one of my favorite features in NordVPN, and it's so useful option, especially for the gamers. Actually, you can route your phone's traffic through your PC or even link up with your friends for private match, safety, and without sharing your IPs, which is so important. Actually, guys, it's basically private gaming tunnel for you and your friends, which gives you more details and more options, and you can connect all of your devices together like a private LAN network, which is useful for gaming. For example, when you are Counter-Strike player, you can join all of your friends to a network which called Meshnet, and you can play with each other with the low ping and fastest response time and enjoy. Now guys, we don't have any special options here. I mean, the special features I try in the next video cover all of the options one by one. For example, 2 or 3 video to give you more details, for example, for dedicated IP, and how to use, for example, a Meshnet, which gives you more detail, and how to use it, how to play with your friends, how to connect all of your devices together with a private network. I will cover actually these parts. So I covered all of the things that you know and basic things, and in the next chapter we will try to review and test for PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty and see the ping is good or not, and what about lag or response time. So just be here, I will be back. Now guys, we are in the second chapter. Let's connect and test it in the real gameplay. So again, I will rise up my NordVPN and try to connect. I will choose Obfuscated Servers, which is so fast, and I think it has a lower ping. So as you can see, now we are connected to a server in Sweden. Now try to open up your PUBG Mobile. Just let me test it. Wait a couple of seconds and be patient, my friends. As you can see guys, we are in the new season. So here guys, as you can see, the connection is not bad, it's good. Now let me try to start a match to see the real ping. Just wait, I started the game. As you can see my friends, my ping is about 87. Now it's about 126, which is acceptable and it's not bad. It has a good ping for gameplay. There is an important point guys, in my region I can't get more ping, I mean lower than this, which means that this ping is good to playing and for gameplay. So as you can see now it's stable on 120, which is acceptable and good for gaming, for register your bullet and don't annoying you in the game. Now let me quit the game and try Call of Duty for you and see the ping in the Call of Duty. Actually guys, the multi is one of my favorite part of the Call of Duty. I'm not about to play Battle Royale, but I will test in multi mode. So just wait to download the resources and updates completely, and we will go to the game and test it with each other. Guys, the VPN is so related to the region you are living and your internet speed. It will be different from country to country, city to city. So if I get for example ping here 120, it's good for me. If I change the VPN to another one, maybe I got about 180. So these pings it acceptable for my region, not for your region. So I'm here. Just let me go and test the multi mode. Just wait my friends. So we are in guys. Just let me go inside the match. Here guys, as you can see, my ping here is about 76, which is so good ping. And let me show you my response time, which is so good. Here guys, as you can see, this is lower than PUBG Mobile because I think it's related to the servers who works in the Call of Duty. And here, as you can see, I have a lower ping, and here you can see my bullet and registration. Sorry, I wasn't in the game. So guys, as you can see, the ping now is about 82, which is acceptable for gaming and register your bullet. I myself, my friends, recommend this VPN for you to play and enjoy your game with your friends, especially in the Meshnet. I will try to create another video for Meshnet and tell you more details about the NordVPN and showing you how much you can customize the options and get lower ping and fast response time. So it needs actually guys customize options to get lower ping and fastest response time. So we need work more. If I can get a dedicated IP address, I will try that options too for you. And let me quit the game. For conclusion, as a conclusion guys, as you saw in my video, I didn't have any experiences of bad connection, I mean disconnection. lower ping or any bad habits in the game. I had a smooth gameplay, and you can at least, I will recommend you, at least you can give it a try on the NordVPN. It's not just about, guys, privacy and security or browsing safe. You can use it for gaming, and especially the Meshnet will give you option to join you and your friends in a private network like LAN network, and like gaming tunnel to enjoy the gaming with your friends in the safe place, and no leaks and no data leaks and no IP leaks, which is so important for the gaming and for the security. And there is an important point I must tell you. I live in the restricted area. They will try to block access to the internet, I mean free access to the internet. This VPN, I mean NordVPN, give me freedom, and I can even play gaming with my friends, with my cousin who lives in another country, another region, and with my friends. The guy who lives in the restricted area can feel what I say to you. As you saw, I tried to use obfuscated options, which I could fast and more secure to connect to another servers which were in the Sweden. So this VPN is a good VPN. I recommend to you at least give it a try and enjoy the playing with your friends and browse safe for a streaming or for another use of internet. Finally, my friends, if you have any questions, you can feel free and ask in the comments. If you need to test another VPN services, just comment the name of the VPN. I will try to get an account and try to test for you. As always, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and support me. We will see you in the next one.